wanted to talk to you today about pool chemicals, some for pools and for spas. They are different, and you have to read your label to make sure you're doing things correctly. Good afternoon, my name is Chuck. I'm with Shasta Pool Supply. I've been part of their sales team, and I've been in the pool business for 47 years. Today we're going to talk about pool chemicals and spa chemicals. So when you go to the store and to buy your pool and spa chemicals, you have to make sure what your dosage is and read the directions so that you can correctly put the amount in and not overdo it or underdo it. So first of all, we'll start with this, which is the Spa Up. Now, this is for Leisure Time, is a brand that we use here, Shasta Pool Supply, but there's other brands out there for your spa. And when you're looking on the back, very important, the instructions on the back. Just to give you an idea, say you have a pH at 6.8 and you want to bring it up to 7.2, which is normal for pH in a spa, you're only adding a teaspoon or two to bring it up. Keep that in mind. For a spa, that's a teaspoon or two to bring it up. When you got the pool going, to raise it up, you're using a pound or two. So there are quite a bit of differences between this. You don't want to use the spa chemical for the pool because you won't be able to do the, raise it up or get it to that point where you need to get your pool in perfect pH range. It would take too many of these bottles. That's why they have a different dosage for the pool and a bigger container. Now, when you're going the other way, trying to use pool chemicals for the spa, you may add too much and mess up your range again. Just another example, I have two other ones. There's Pool Perfect and there's Spa Perfect. These are to eliminate scum and keep the water fresh as possible. So just to give you an idea, Pool Perfect here, you add a capful to 8,000 gallons of water. That's one capful for 8,000 gallons of water. For the spa, you're only adding 1 ounce per week to keep the maintenance for the spa. So there's quite a bit of difference between the chemicals for pool and the chemicals for spa. So I'm going to recap at the moment and just let you know. The main differences with pool chemicals and spa chemicals is the amount of water that you're treating, and you read the directions for the dosage that you need. If you want to have more information, you can get a hold of us at Shasta Pool Supply by email or call us, or you can go on our website, shastapoolsupply.com.